In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Jira project. Whether you're a project manager, developer, or just someone who's been working with Jira, there comes a time when you might need to export your project data. This could be for backup purposes, reporting to stakeholders, or simply for archiving completed projects. The process is straightforward, so let's dive into it. First, we need to navigate to Jira. Start by going to the Your Work section. This is where you can see all your active projects and tasks. If you're already using Jira regularly, this will be a familiar landing page. This page showcases all the projects you're involved with and allows you to manage your work efficiently. Once you're on the Your Work page, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the screen. You will see a tab labeled Filters. The Filters menu is your gateway to organizing, accessing, and manipulating your project data. By using filters, you can quickly narrow down the issues you wish to work with based on specific criteria such as project type, status, or any custom fields you may have set up. So go ahead and click on Filters. Now that you have clicked on Filters, look for an option called View All Issues. This is a critical step because viewing all issues gives you access to a complete list of items from your project. It essentially aggregates all tasks, bugs, and other work items into a single comprehensive view. Clicking View All Issues provides a detailed list of issues that you can browse through to select exactly what data you're interested in exporting. Remember, exporting data you don't need can clutter your files and analysis, so this step helps you be precise. Once you are in the View All Issues page, you will notice an option called Export, somewhere usually accessible along the top or the sidebar of the interface. The export function is powerful as it allows you to download your selected issues or projects in various formats. The formats generally include popular options such as Excel, CSV, or even printable formats like a PDF. Take a moment to consider what format works best for your needs. For instance, if you want to manipulate data within a spreadsheet program, Excel or CSV would be optimal. If you simply need to share static reports, a PDF might be more suitable. Now go ahead and click on Export. Clicking on this will bring up the choices of file formats available to you. It's important to reflect on why you're exporting the data and how you plan to use it. For instance, CSV files are excellent for integration with other software, while Excel offers better formatting and readability if the data is large or complex. After selecting the format, all you need to do is proceed with the file export. Depending on the file format and the number of issues you're dealing with, the time taken for this process might vary. It's also wise to check the export once complete just to ensure that all necessary data points have been included and the format is to your liking. And there you have it, you've successfully exported your project data from Jira. Exporting data regularly can be a good practice, especially for long-term projects. It allows you to have backups, makes analyzing trends possible, and keeps your stakeholders in the loop with comprehensive reports. Also, by ensuring you choose the correct file type for your specific needs, you can streamline your workflow and use the data in more meaningful ways. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to leave any comments or questions down below. If you find yourself stuck or have any tips of your own to share about exporting from Jira, please feel free to communicate with our community. Until next time, keep your projects on track and your data organized.